Do these.
1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Why are days warmer than nights? Answer. The sun gives us light and heat. The heat of the sun warms one half of the earth during daytime but not when it is night in that half. So the days are warmer than nights. 2. Name the factors on which evaporation depends. Answer. Water evaporates faster when A. It is windy, B. The temperature is high, C. Exposed surface is large, D. The air is dry. 3. What causes the breeze from the sea to the land? Answer. During the day, the land near the sea gets heated faster than the sea. The air above the hot land also gets heated. It becomes lighter and rises up. The cool air above the sea blows towards the land to take the place of the warmer air. 4. How is dew formed? Answer. At night, the land and grass cool down. When moist air touches them, the water vapor in the air condenses on the grass as droplets of water. This is called dew. 5. How is fog formed? Answer. The water vapor condenses on particles of dust and smoke as very tiny water drops. These tiny water drops form fog. 6. How are clouds formed? Answer. Water evaporates from sea, lakes and rivers in the form of water vapor. It goes up in the air. Since it is cold high up in the atmosphere, the air is suddenly cooled and water vapor changes to tiny droplets. These droplets cling to form clouds. 7. What are sedimentation and decantation? Answer. To separate insoluble impurities, allow the water to remain undisturbed for some time. The heavy impurities will settle at the bottom. The process of settling down the heavy particles at the bottom of water is called sedimentation. The clear water stands above. Pour this clear water into another beaker. The process of transferring the clear liquid into another beaker without disturbing the sediments is called decantation. 8. Describe how you will purify water by filtration. Answer. Take a filter paper and fold it to make a cone. Fix a funnel to a stand. Wet its side and then keep the filter paper in the funnel. Now pour the muddy water through this filter paper. Clear water will be collected in the beaker. This method of purifying water is called filtration. 9. What is water table? Answer. When rainwater falls on the ground, part of it sinks down. The soil on the surface of the earth is porous. After passing through the porous layer of the earth, the water reaches a non-porous layer and collected there. The level of water thus collected under the ground is called water table. 2. Fill in the blanks. Conceptual understanding. Three. Write T for true and F for false statements. Conceptual understanding. Four. Do you know? When a ray of sunlight enters a raindrop, it separates into light of 7 different colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red vizier. These bands of colored light make a rainbow.